Hey, everybody, it's Al Esposito, Guaranteed Rate Affinity, and your favorite mortgage lender. This week, I really just want to dive into some numbers and stats that I think are important moving into the real estate market come 2023. As we know, the Fed raised rates quite a bit in 2022, the Fed fund rate. And yes, where it correlates, it doesn't directly impact mortgage rates, but for sure inflation does. So the Fed said, hey, we're going to keep raising rates until we get this inflation under control. And they've done a fairly good job, to be honest with you, getting it under control. We're not where we need to be to get that inflation rate of their goal of 2.0, but we will get there at some point next year. And the good news is the FOC came out and basically stated that, hey, we believe the Fed is going to slow down these rate hikes. We're going to get inflation under control, and we'll see much better interest rates down the road. One of the things that I wanted to call out on this particular article is that the MBA is forecasting a recession for the first year of 2023, first half, as full impact of these rate hikes absorbed through the economy as such, where we're forecasting the federal fund rate not to exceed 5% in 2023. They basically said that they were absolutely going to exceed 5%, and that is a change now here at the end of the year. Furthermore, weaker growth and typical leads to long-term interest rates, and including mortgage rates. We are forecasting that mortgage rates on a 30-year loan, which are around 6.4 as of this week, will expectedly go down and drift down around 5.2. Here's the good news, guys. We're going to see much better interest rates at some point. It could be June, it could be August, it could be March. We don't know. But it's still a good time to buy if rates are 6.5%, much better than the 7 range. So what I'm trying to get out to everybody is that we can always refinance. If you buy a house right now and close in February and rates go down in August, let's refinance you down to 5.25%, 5.5%. It'll be a huge impact because they believe that housing is going to go up quite a bit in 2024. So it's all about getting information out right now. If you have any questions about anything I just said, I am always reachable at 908-531-8134. I hope this information, as I mentioned, was helpful, and I look forward to helping you in 2023.